航線はテロ行為。
Under 4050, we got a laser strike from the departure end of runway 22.
4050, I'm sorry, what direction you come from?
Come for the departure end off 22.
And color?
Green.
We've got 4673, Bloody Italian, Boston, previous around about 4 minutes ago. Endeavor got hit with a laser, green laser, about a 4-mile final from the southeast departure end runway.
Okay, while you were saying that, we didn't get hit with anything, but I saw a green light out that direction.
Okay. Could you tell about how far south it was?
It looked like it was a ways. I'm guessing it was 5 miles or so. That's kind of a guess.
Okay, thank you.